So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the 437Ms and why they're the best wheels for an F30. You can see the front, the back. So to start with, in the front they're 9J, in the rear they're 10J width. As you can see, the fitment is perfect. From the back, see, so the tire setup is 255 3519 square, and it's on Federal semi-slicks. You can see, and to prove to you, there is no spacers, not in the front, neither in the rear. Now, however, when it comes to the tire setup, this is quite a wide tire setup. In the back it's okay, but in the front it's not, and you can see it's quite a bit of bulk. But it's true that it doesn't just fit these wheels. If you put slimmer tires in the front, it's okay, but the 255s, it rubbed quite a bit, so I had to roll the fender, which on this side didn't go so well. But with the rolled fenders, it's perfect. You can see on the other side, the rolling did go well. It's rather almost perfect. But when that's the case, there's absolutely no rubbing, not while steering, not while driving. In the back, however, it doesn't rub unless the car is full, so more than 4 people in luggage. It only rubs the very inner fender liner, and that's only when you push it really hard into a corner. Otherwise it's no problem, generally speaking. And the color I picked is rather controversial, but you can see that way the whole car looks is perfect. That's basically it. I'll do a few more shots of the fitment. But if you have any more questions or requests, let me know. So, thanks for watching.